From Dirt to Dollars, the untold story of Jeremiah Collins. When most people think of American success stories, their minds jump to Silicon Valley, Wall Street, or Hollywood. Few picture a dusty stretch of farmland in Nebraska. But that's exactly where Jeremiah Collins began writing his own version of the American dream, armed with nothing but a shovel, a rusted-out tractor, and the relentless grit of generations before him. Born in 1981 in Scottsbluff, Nebraska, Jeremiah was the third-generation son of corn and soybean farmers. His grandfather, Earl Collins, had settled on that land in the 1950s after returning from the Korean War. His father, Robert Collins, had kept the farm alive during the lean years of the 1980s farm crisis, barely scraping by. By the time Jeremiah inherited the land at 27, things were dire. Commodity prices were down, the farm was $120,000 in debt, and most of his peers had long since traded overalls for office jobs. But Jeremiah saw something no one else did, not just in the soil beneath his boots, but in the future of agriculture itself. The digital farmer. In 2007, while other farmers stuck to tradition, Jeremiah began experimenting with precision agriculture, using GPS, drone surveillance, and soil data analytics to make more informed planting and irrigation decisions. He devoured books on agritech, followed researchers at the University of Iowa and MIT, and even taught himself basic Python to analyze his own crop data. "I realized I didn't have to be the biggest, I just had to be the smartest," he once said in an interview with Modern Farmer. He invested in a John Deere 8RX with satellite-guided steering. With some initial help from a USDA innovation grant and a small loan through the Farm Service Agency, Jeremiah transformed his 800 acres into a high-efficiency, low-waste operation. His yields doubled in just 2 seasons. By 2012, he wasn't just growing crops, he was growing capital.